Hello children, look, I am standing in a beautiful garden. You can see tall trees, beautiful flowers and the birds. Now look at the sky. What do you see? Yes, you can see the sun and the clouds. Children, here so many butterflies are also flying. Children, all these things are a part of our nature. Dear children, today we will learn such things that are a part of our nature. After that, we will enjoy the rhyme Nature given at page number 118 of your textbook. The sun. Here is the picture of the sun. Children, the sun rises in the morning. The moon. M-O-O-N, moon. Children, we can see the moon at night. Sometimes it is full, but sometimes not. The next is stars. S-T-A-R-S, stars. Children, stars twinkle at night. Clouds. C-L-O-U-D-S, clouds. Look at the clouds. Children, clouds bring us rain. Birds. B-I-R-D-S, birds. Birds are also a part of our nature. Here you can see so many birds like parrot, pigeon, peacock, sparrow and so on. Trees. T-R-E-E-S, trees. Trees are our friends. They give us so many things like oxygen, shade, fruits and wood. Animals. A-N-I-M-A-L-S, animals. There are many animals like lion, tiger, deer, elephant and so on. Flowers. F-L-O-W-E-R-S, flowers. Children, you can see so many beautiful flowers around you. The next is mountains. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N-S, mountains. Dear children, when you go to a hill station, you can see so many mountains around you. The next is river. R-I-V-E-R, river. There are many rivers in India like Ganga, Yamuna and so on. The next is rainbow. R-A-I-N, rain, B-O-W, bow, rainbow. Children, a rainbow has 7 colors. Dear children, this is not the end. All the things around you that are made by God are a part of our nature. Now, let's enjoy the rhyme Nature.
Up in the sky, what do you see? Up in the sky, what do you see? Big star, small star looking at me. Big star, small star looking at me. Up in the sky, what do you see? Up in the sky, what do you see? The sun in the day and the moon at night. The sun in the day and moon at night. Up in the sky, what do you see? Up in the sky, what do you see? Big cloud, small cloud looking at me. Big cloud, small cloud looking at me. Up in the sky, what do you see? Up in the sky, what do you see? Big bird, small birds looking at me. Big bird, small birds looking at me.
Now it's time for homework. Children, recite the rhyme nature. Keep learning. Thank you.